Center has introduced a lot of videos on how to make and play Indian traditional games. All the kids are at home, I'm home with them. Besides the usual baking and cooking which I do with them, I thought let me build my own Pallanguzhi board. So the videos have been really helpful. I decided I'm going to make my own, and I'm going to be using creative ways of doing it. Wow, it's nice, Ayana.
Thanks.
It has to dry, so we gotta check whether the sun is out. So our Pallanguzhi is ready.
It looks so nice.
Yes, it does.
Yeah.
And we can't wait to play it. So are you ready to put? We have to put 5 seeds in each of these little kulis. We're going to start playing Pallanguzhi. Now, I'm going to start from the center. I'm going to take the 5. I'm going to go in a circular motion. And then I'm going to take the one from the next one, empty it. Very easy to play now. And then go. So our Pallanguzhi is done. It's beautifully done. It's not just painted inside, it's painted outside. I'm so proud of you girls. Well done. So, did you guys have a good time?
Yeah!